In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make flaxseed gel for your hair, especially for detangling. You're going to know the benefits and you are also going to know how to properly detangle your hair. One of the things that will make or break your hair is how you handle it when it comes to detangling. And I totally understand that a lot of people do not have the money to get some of these products that are made by this brand. So it's a really good thing that you can DIY your own detangler. If you want to know how to do it, stay till the end of this video because I'm about to teach you everything you need to know when it comes to using flaxseed to detangle your hair. So first things first, I like to boil my water because it speeds up the process for me. You will also need an applicator bottle because applying flaxseed on your hair can be quite messy, and this just makes things very easy. You are going to need flaxseed. This quantity is perfectly fine, and I think I got this one for like 1,000 naira. Remember that you can make your flaxseed with cold or hot water, but the hot water process is just way faster. If you want to say you will use cold water to make your flaxseed, it is going to take longer than it would if you use hot water. So once you turn your flaxseed inside the pot and add the hot water, make sure to stir it because you don't want it to gum at the bottom of the pot, and then let it sit and cook. Put as much water as you need and let it boil. Do you understand? It's still going to dry up, so it doesn't really matter how much water you put in your flaxseed. Once it boils to this point, you can just stir it and then go ahead to lower the heat so that it can cook on low heat. Now, this is how you are going to know that your flaxseed is ready. Once you come to check your flaxseed and you see this thick gel, yes, exactly like this. Once you see this, it's an indication that your flaxseed is ready. And at this point, you are free to strain it. If you think the quantity of water that is left in the gel is going to be too small, you can always reboil your flaxseed. Now, here is the tricky part. Please and please always strain your flaxseed when it's hot, because I promise you, if you don't strain this thing when it's hot and you let it sit and cool, it's going to be very difficult. And the reason for that is that when you let your flaxseed sit for a while, it's going to thicken up. The colder it gets, the more thick it becomes. So it's going to be really difficult to strain it at that point. Another tip I have for you is that you should always let it sit. Like, see the way I've strained it and it's in this bowl, right? I'm going to let it sit for a while because I want it to thicken up so that I can use it on my hair. The last time I used flaxseed, I made this mistake of using it after it just cooled down a little bit and it had this watery consistency, and I promise you, you don't want that. So what I usually do now is once I put it in a bowl like this, I'll put it directly under the fan. I'll just on my fan and leave it there to sit, and you can see from this video that the longer it stayed under the fan, the more thick it got. If you go back and look at the first video after I turned this flaxseed inside the bowl, you will see that it had a more runny consistency, but looking at it now, you can see that it's more thick. So at this point, you can now go ahead to put your flaxseed in your applicator bottle. This applicator bottle was so difficult for me to find because for some reason it is really scarce where I stay. Here is now the main part. This is the point where you use it on your hair to properly detangle your hair. And one thing with detangling is that you should always do it in sections. I also like to use water first before going in with the flaxseed because, oh my god, my hair was really dirty and it was very dry. So I was taking all the precautions here. And don't forget finger detangling, because this is going to help you loosen those knots up, loosen all those tangles before you go in with your comb, which is what I just did. Then go in with your flaxseed, and once you start to detangle, please and please, you can still go ahead with your finger detangling before going in with your brush or your comb, your detangling brush. In my case today, I decided to use a detangling comb and I started from the tips down to the roots. Now you are going to repeat the same process with every section of your hair, and please be gentle, don't rush. Please, natural hair does not like to be rushed. You need patience, so take your time to do this. And once you are done detangling each section, go ahead to put it in a twist, because trust me, your hair is going to be like, your life is going to be so much easier if you wash your hair in twists. There are other cool things that flaxseed gives to our hair. There are other benefits of flaxseed apart from the fact that we use it for detangling, and one of it is that it contains omega-3 fatty acids and also vitamin E, which promotes hair growth and nourishes the follicles. The omega-3 fatty acids also improves the elasticity of your hair, and this can make your hair less prone to breakage. Also, the vitamin E it it contains help to prevent premature discoloration or graying of hair. Flaxseed gel can also help define your curls. It can also be used as gel, and this is not going to flake or make your hair feel crunchy. Although I've not used it as a gel, but I see people using it, so I guess I will have to try it out to come back and give you guys my full testimony. It can also nourish and strengthen your hair, prevent acute hair loss, scalp eczema, and dandruff by soothing and nourishing your scalp. You can see that you stand to gain so much benefit if you use flaxseed on your hair. I really love it, and oh my god, it can be so messy when you are going through this process. So please, if you are using it to detangle your hair, do it in the bathroom. The last time I used it, I did it in my room, and it was a lot of cleaning after that. So do it in your bathroom, where when you are done, you can just flush the whole thing down, and be careful so that you don't slip and fall. Also, if you are asking if you can reuse the seeds, yes, you can reuse the seeds that you boil, but the only thing is that you have to keep it in your fridge, and I think the period that it's supposed to stay is for about 2 weeks. I think I saw that on TikTok or somewhere. So make sure to store it in your freezer, not your fridge, so that it's frozen for that period of time, and when you need to use it, you can just take it out and then reboil it again to get your gel. The gel I got from this particular one was more than enough. In fact, after I was done detangling my hair, I still had so much left, so I just had to put it all over my hair. I hope you have been able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video, and I hope you are going to try out flaxseed on your hair. See you guys in the next one. Bye.